Your body flooded with natural antioxidants, your liver working at full capacity to eliminate toxins, and your skin glowing from within, all thanks to one deep red root, beetroot. Often underestimated, this humble vegetable is a nutrient powerhouse that's been used for centuries to cleanse the blood, support the liver, and restore vitality. Today, we'll uncover how beetroot works, its detoxifying magic, share a potent detox juice recipe, explore its health benefits, and discuss the contraindications you should know before adding it to your daily routine. The detox power of beetroot, nature's cleansing gem. Beetroot, scientifically known as beta vulgaris, is one of the most effective natural detoxifiers known to science. Its vivid crimson pigment just eye-catching it as a visual cue of its high content of beta-ionins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and aid in the detoxification process at a cellular level. The liver is your body's primary detox organ. It filters blood, breaks down toxins, and produces bile to digest fats. Over time, factors such as poor diet, alcohol, medications, and environmental pollution can overwhelm this process. Beetroot steps in as a natural liver rejuvenator, helping to flush toxins, improve oxygen transport, and stimulate bile flow, keeping your body's purification system running smoothly. Beetroot detox juice recipe: cleanse, energize, and revitalize. Let's start with the star of this detox journey, the beetroot detox juice. This vibrant elixir is easy to prepare, refreshingly earthy, and deeply nourishing. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped 1 carrot, peeled and chopped 1 green apple, cored 1 small piece of ginger, about 1 inch juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 cup of cold water or coconut water, optional boosters, 1/2 cucumber for extra hydration, a handful of spinach or kale for added chlorophyll and iron, 1 tsp chia seeds for omega-3 south and fiber. Preparation: place all ingredients in a blender or juicer, blend until smooth. If using a blender, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth for a smoother texture. Add lemon juice and stir well. Serve immediately, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum detox effect. Drink this juice 3 to 4 times per week to help your liver function optimally and to promote clearer skin, better digestion, and improved energy levels. How beetroot detoxifies the blood and liver. Beetroot's detox benefits come from its unique nutritional composition, which works on multiple levels within the body. Supports liver detoxification pathways. Beetroot contains betalain's natural pigments that stimulate phase 2 liver detoxification enzymes. This process helps your liver convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds that can be excreted through urine or sweat. In essence, beetroot helps flush out harmful compounds, including heavy metals, chemicals, and metabolic waste. Purifies the blood. The nitrates and antioxidants in beetroot increase nitric oxide production, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery. This not only enhances performance, but also ensures toxins are efficiently carried to detox organs. Additionally, beetroot promotes red blood cell regeneration, making it a natural blood purifier. Reduces fatty liver and inflammation. Beetroot's betaine content helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. It also has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation caused by toxins or excessive alcohol consumption. Enhances bile flow. Proper bile production is crucial for digestion and toxin removal. Beetroot stimulates bile secretion, which improves digestion and helps eliminate toxins through the digestive tract, supporting both liver health and gut function. Key nutrients behind beetroots detox power. Each sip of beetroot juice delivers a potent cocktail of vitamins and minerals essential for detoxification and vitality. Nutrient function: betalain's antioxidant pigments that support liver detox enzymes. Betaine prevents liver fat buildup and reduces inflammation. Iron aids in red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Magnesium supports enzyme activity in detox pathways. Vitamin C enhances immune defense and neutralizes toxins. Folate. Vitamin B9 supports DNA synthesis and liver regeneration. Nitrates boost circulation and lower blood pressure together. These nutrients transform beetroot into one of the most complete natural detox foods available. Top 10 health benefits of beetroot detox juice. Detoxifies the liver and blood, flushes out impurities, and supports natural cleansing processes. Boosts energy levels, enhances oxygen utilization, improving endurance and stamina. Improves skin health, promotes glowing, acne-free skin through toxin elimination. Supports heart health, reduces blood pressure, and improves blood vessel elasticity. Aids digestion, stimulates bile flow, and supports healthy gut bacteria. Enhances brain function, improves cognitive performance by increasing cerebral blood flow. Supports weight loss, low in calories, high in fiber, and boosts metabolism naturally. Reduces inflammation. Betalains and polyphenols lower systemic inflammation. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber helps stabilize glucose absorption. Improves immunity, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C for a stronger immune response. Contraindications. When you should be cautious, although beetroot is a natural superfood, it's not suitable for everyone. Here are the main contraindications to consider: kidney stones or renal issues. Beetroot contains oxalates, compounds that can crystallize and contribute to the formation of kidney stones, especially in individuals prone to them. If you have a history of oxalate stones, consult a healthcare provider before consuming beetroot juice regularly. Low blood pressure. Because beetroot lowers blood pressure due to its high nitrate content, those who already suffer from hypotension should moderate their intake to prevent dizziness or fainting. Diabetes. While beetroot has a low glycemic load, it's still naturally sweet. People with diabetes should monitor blood sugar levels and limit juice portions to avoid spikes, especially if the juice includes fruit like apple or carrot. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic symptoms such as itching, rash, or throat irritation after consuming beetroot. If this occurs, discontinue use immediately. Red urine or stool bacteria after consuming beetroot. Some people notice a reddish tint in their urine or stool. This is harmless but can be alarming if unexpected. It's simply a result of betalain pigments being excreted by the body. How and when to drink beetroot detox juice. Timing and consistency are key when it comes to detoxification. Here's how to get the best results. Drink it in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach, 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Frequency, 3 to 4 times per week is sufficient. Daily use may be too stimulating for some. Hydration. Always accompany your detox routine with plenty of water to aid toxin removal. Diet synergy. Pair your beetroot juice with a clean whole food diet, rich in greens, fruits, and healthy fats for optimal liver support. Beetroot plus lemon plus ginger, the ultimate detox trio. Each ingredient in the detox juice plays a specific role. Beetroot cleanses the liver and blood. Lemon alkalizes the body and enhances bioproduction. Ginger boosts circulation and reduces inflammation. Together, they create a synergistic detox blend that not only purifies your system but also energizes your mind and revitalizes your skin. Scientific insight. What research says modern studies back up what traditional medicine has known for centuries? A 2019 review published in Nutrice found that beetroot juice improves liver enzyme function and reduces oxidative damage. Clinical trials also show that beetroot's dietary nitrates can enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure naturally. Research on betaine reveals its ability to reduce fatty deposits in the liver and support methylation, an essential detox process for DNA repair and toxin breakdown. Science confirms that beetroot isn't just a folk remedy, it's a clinically validated detox ally. Beyond detox, beauty and vitality from within. The benefits of beetroot extend beyond internal cleansing. Regular consumption enhances external beauty as well. Glowing skin. The antioxidants combat free radicals that age the skin. Stronger hair, iron and folate, boost blood flow to the scalp, stimulating growth. Weight balance. Its fiber content helps manage cravings and promotes satiety. In short, beetroot detox juice doesn't just make you feel cleaner, it helps you look radiant too. Common myths about beetroot detox. Myth 1. Beetroot detoxes instantly. Detoxification is a gradual process. Consistent intake over weeks yields real results. Myth 2. Beetroot juice can replace medical detox. While beetroot supports natural detox pathways, it's not a medical substitute for liver disease treatments or toxin poisoning. Myth 3. You can drink unlimited beet juice. Moderation is key. Too much beetroot can cause oxalate overload or lower blood pressure excessively. A simple step toward a cleaner, stronger you. Beetroot is more than a colorful vegetable. It's a life-enhancing detoxifier that helps your liver, blood, and entire body operate at peak performance. With every sip of beetroot detox juice, you're giving your system a natural reset, clearing toxins, boosting energy, and reviving your glow from the inside out. Start your detox journey today. Don't wait for fatigue, dull skin, or digestive issues to remind you that your body needs cleansing. Blend your first beetroot detox juice tomorrow morning. It takes only 5 minutes and could transform how you feel. Your body deserves a fresh start. Fuel it with nature's red magic today.